teachers, and students. We come from Sunsan Secondary School. My name is Hugh.
I'm Thảo.
And today we would like to present about our topic of how to learn English effectively.
An international language allowing that most of people are learning with the hope of being able to communicate with people from all over the world learning English. But such a language doesn't mean it's easy or more people is as good as native speaker. A lot of people are struggling to learn and to English effectively, especially we all students want to study English well, and that is what encourages us to make a presentation today to discuss about how to learn English effectively.
Now, when we think about improving a language, we usually come up with 4 types of skill and needs, which are speaking, listening, reading, and writing skill. Next, the fundamentals to improve each skill. First on the list, let's talk about how to improve your speaking skill.
Let's start right off by saying that there isn't a magic pill for better speaking right away. That would be too easy, right? Basically, the best way to speak better is to, speak. Commit practicing with our classmate after class or find a language exchange partner. Maybe try to speak with our friends and our families. And after the conversation, you would want to take a moment to reflect. How did the conversation go? Did you encounter any unknown words that you don't understand? The mere act of thinking about it will increase and boost your confidence the next time you speak.
Secondly, to improve our reading and writing skill. Do travel on public transport to work or to where you study. Perhaps you need free time after lunch. Instead of playing games or checking your social media, why not read a short article in English instead?
Depending on the level of English, you should read the new letter in the lesson or a new website, or you could read the article written for learning of English. Reading is one of the best ways to improve your vocabulary. You are sure to encounter some new word from the context or make a note of them or look them up in a dictionary later. Reading little and often can really help you improve your English.
And what about our writing skill? Well, you can see that keeping a journal or diary in English would be the best way for you to practice your writing. Using new words and grammars when you write in your diary. You can use simple sentences about your daily life or about anything that you've done in that day, or maybe choose a topic about my dream job or my best holiday ever. But in the end, it's your journal, so it's your choice.
Listening is an important skill in all areas of life. We know listening can be difficult, especially with speakers who have a strong accent or who talk really fast. If you don't believe that you can listen or understand what people are saying, that's why you fail. Having a hard time, focus on what you are going to. When people are talking, don't focus on what you are going to reply. Don't try to translate what they are saying. Don't analyze the grammar structure of the sentences. Just listen. To study English more effectively, we have 5 tips to improve our listening skill. The first, sing along to the English song. Learning English by listening to songs is a fun and effective way to improve our listening skill. You can write out the lyrics, sing along, or even skip the lyrics and see how much you know by heart. Turn on your music and you do other things and sing along as you want to receive or go to work, for instance.
Among all above, which skill should you improve? That depends on you. In the end, English is both a useful and well-known language. Knowing it will not only improve your grades at school, but also your ability to communicate with foreigners. We, you, Thao, and Biện, appreciate every single one of you who paid attention and listened to our presentation. Thank you for listening.
Yeah, okay. Thank you for your presentation. I would like to pay you a question here, please. You, right?
Yes.
You have to present it. That you show us that you have some ways to improve your speaking skill. No, please. You show us some way to improve your speaking English. So, answers my question. Give me another way to improve your speaking skill besides the other ways you talk.
Well, you can try to go on the internet and look at the articles often in the internet and try to read and then speak out loud the content up there.
You can make friends through online.
Yes.
Okay. You think that's another best way for you to improve your speaking skill?
I personally think that's the best way because that's basically how I myself improve my English speaking.
Yeah, thank you for your answers.
Okay, so Sunglan Secondary School. Yes, you performed very well today, and congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Yes, are you ready to answer my questions?
Yes.
Yeah. You talk about how to learn English effectively, and can you tell me what shouldn't you do when you learn English?
What you shouldn't do when you learn English is that you try to learn too much in a day because you will be overwhelmed by the information of English, the formulas and the way you speak. You will become most likely shocked at it. So my suggestion is that you should learn slowly and do not rush.
Yes, thank you for your answer. Well done. Yeah, thank you. That's all, thank you. You can come back to your seats.